I'm Jeff with PolarPro, and we're going to cover the Stage 1 filters for the Basecamp system, and that's this circular insert that's going to go in through the back. And we've got 3 options for it. So the first and most popular one is the CP filter, and this one you can run it when you pop it in there as just a polarizer, so you can rotate it, adjust polarization. And then also probably the most popular configuration with this is when you drop in the VND 2 to 5 in front of it, it turns it into a variable neutral density filter. There's also a gold Morphic cartridge, and this is kind of gonna give you those like anamorphic streaks across any light source in your frame. This one's gonna flare as streak gold. Cool thing about having these ones in Stage 1 is once you pop them in there, you can actually rotate them, and that's gonna adjust the angle of the streak. So it's kind of cool, you can get creative with it. And the final one is the blue Morphic, same exact concept as the gold Morphic. It's just going to give you a blue streak across any light source that you've got. Those are the 3 filters for Stage 1. If you've got any questions, shoot us an email. We'll see you on the next one.